up, guys? 2025. Snowmobiling. As you can see, we're quite rusty from not having ridden up until this point. So instead, just enjoy these drone shots and let me know if I should keep putting them in the videos. Crackly audio will only be in a couple clips. It was just because I had my mic set up weird. Jeez, boys. This is crazy! Holy! Holy! That was crazy! Shoo. Wish I would have got that on video, boys. Shoot. Alright, guys. Smoked a tree. I don't know if I got it on video. Backwoods saved me. Knew it would come in handy some of these times. It's awesome. Panel. And that's about it. Let's look at a tree. So we're good. What's up, guys? Thank you for making it to the end of the video. We are back from our trip now, and we did a little work on the cracked area. It's looking better than it did before. Tried to straighten the bumper out a little bit. But this trip was about a month ago. I figured I'd get it out now because we're actually leaving for a second trip in about 3 days. So be sure to watch that one too. Thank you for watching.